Have you ever pondered if strawberries can aid in weight loss? In the world of healthy eating, strawberries are quite the superstars. Bursting with flavor, these little gems offer more than just a delightful taste. They can be a vital part of your diet, providing numerous health benefits, and potentially assisting in weight loss. Eating the right foods, like strawberries, can have a positive and profound impact on your health and weight loss journey. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how strawberries can become your new weight loss ally. Strawberries aren't just delicious, they're also packed with essential nutrients. These juicy red fruits are high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer, thus helping to control your appetite. This makes them a great option for those looking to lose weight. Furthermore, strawberries are low in calories, with a single cup of fresh strawberries containing less than 50 calories. This means you can enjoy them without worrying about exceeding your daily calorie intake. But what really sets strawberries apart is their rich antioxidant content. They're brimming with vitamin C and other antioxidants that help fight inflammation and protect your body's cells from damage. These antioxidants also play a crucial role in boosting your metabolism, which is essential for weight loss. In addition, strawberries contain manganese, a mineral that helps your body metabolize fats and carbohydrates more efficiently. With such a nutritional punch, it's clear why strawberries can be a key player in your weight loss journey. You might be wondering, how can I add more strawberries to my daily diet? Well, the beauty of strawberries is their versatility. They're not just for desserts or a handful on the side. They can be incorporated into your meals in a myriad of ways. For breakfast, try adding a generous serving of strawberries to your morning cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt. They bring a natural sweetness that can curb your sugar cravings and start your day with a nutrient-rich punch. Lunch could be a vibrant salad with strawberries, spinach, and a light vinaigrette. Strawberries add a burst of flavor and color to salads, making them more enjoyable and visually appealing. As for dinner, strawberries can be a surprising but delicious addition to a grilled chicken or fish dish. A simple strawberry salsa or chutney can elevate your main course with a sweet and tangy twist. And of course, let's not forget snacks and desserts. Strawberries dipped in dark chocolate or a bowl of mixed berries can be a satisfying dessert that's both healthy and delicious. Or how about a smoothie? Blend strawberries with a banana, a spoonful of yogurt, and a splash of almond milk for a refreshing and filling snack. The key is to be adventurous and creative. The possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating strawberries into your diet. So you see, making strawberries a part of your daily routine can be as easy as pie, but without the extra calories. Like with any diet, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results with strawberries. It's not about having a bowl of strawberries today and then forgetting about them for the rest of the week. No, it's about making them a regular part of your diet, a staple in your daily routine. Imagine your body as a machine. For it to operate at its peak, it needs the right fuel, consistently. Inconsistency in your diet can lead to fluctuations in your weight, your energy levels, and overall health. Incorporating strawberries into your diet regularly is like providing high-quality fuel to your body. Their rich nutrient content not only aids in weight management, but also boosts your health in numerous other ways. Consistency, my friends, is the secret sauce to a healthy weight loss journey. It's not about drastic changes, but rather consistent, healthy choices over time. Remember, your health is directly linked to what you consume, and it's really that simple. So, are strawberries good for weight loss? Absolutely. To wrap things up, let's go over the key points. Strawberries, packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, are a delicious and nutritious part of any diet. They can help to curb cravings, boost metabolism, and keep you feeling full. All of these benefits can contribute to weight loss when incorporated into a balanced diet. But remember, it's not just about strawberries. It's about consistently choosing healthy foods and maintaining a balanced diet. Your health and weight are directly linked to what you consume on a daily basis. It's as simple as that. Make strawberries a regular part of your diet, but don't forget about other fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Consistency is the key to a healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more detailed information, check out the full article on our website. Here's to a healthier you, one strawberry at a time.